Tonight we're going to be cruising some country roads here in central eastern Iowa. But here in a minute, I got something real cool to show you guys. So do me a favor and smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Pretty dark out there, but this ain't what I wanted to show you guys. That's coming up here in a minute, so I'll hit you guys back here in a minute. Alright, this is actually what I wanted to show you guys off in the distance there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but all them lights off in the distance is the municipal airport in this area. Like, all them lights are a runway. Airplanes, you know, land and take off there. Awfully close to the highway. All the lights are really cool. But yeah, municipal airport right on the highway here. You got the tower right there, where the air traffic controller people work, I guess. And as you can see, this is just a normal highway. We're not actually cruising down the country roads yet. Still pretty dark out here. As you can see, it's real dark out here. Like, there ain't hardly any lights at all. Well, this area there isn't any lights, but there are some areas where there's like a few stray street lights here or there. That was a raccoon that just ran across. Yeah, we're surrounded by trees and woods in this area. That's the thing about Iowa. You know, in the country, sometimes it ain't just like cornfields and farms. There's a lot of like woods and wilderness out this way too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're surrounded by trees, like forest all the way around us. This road that we're on weaves through a forest. That's one of the stray street lights I'm talking about on your right hand side there. Well, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I think it's snowing outside. much around here it snows anywhere from now till, well, December, I guess. Or it starts snowing about that time, I should say. Oh, it's starting to come down pretty good. See, we're out here in a snowstorm, so remember to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. That's legitimately a snowstorm. Yeah, it's starting to pour snow. That's crazy. I wasn't expecting for it to snow. I don't think none of it's sticking to the road, but it sure is coming down. All forest over there, forest over this way too. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is pouring snow, like even more than before. That is crazy. I turned the camera off for a second to rest my hand, and then all of a sudden it just started pouring snow. This is kind of early in the year for snow anyway around here, but you know, this much, it's just crazy. You really see the snow when Jenny turns the brights on. That's crazy, it's snowing like this. That off to the right hand side is a big transformer station there. Supplies power to a factory. That's off in the distance to the right hand side. I'm not going to say what factory that is or what area we're in, but it's a pretty big factory, so I imagine that big transformer station is for that factory. We made it back to me and Jenny's house. Luckily it quit snowing. But don't forget to hit that like button, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.